Let's sing and dance and enjoy the show. Feel your stage, feel your moment. Shine like a star in the spotlight. This is Sahara Spotlight.
Good afternoon, Sarah Atrium. Welcome to Sahara Spotlight. I'm Cliff, and I'll be the Spotlight Master. As you can see, I'm hosting solo tonight.
How are you doing? Goodness, and Sahara Squad are here to support you. So let's get this party started.
Thank you, Carlos. But before anything else, I would like to congratulate Rhythmix, Sahara Squad, and the Sahara Kids Club for that energetic and powerful opening number.
Thank you so much! This is actually the same introduction number that we performed in Barrio Fiesta 2026, and I believe you did too!
Of course, I was actually one of the escorts during the Sagada. Anyway, once again, we would like to thank those who supported and watched the Barrio Fiesta 2026 in Zabil Park. We are actually proud of the Sahara Spotlight family because we are now being invited to major community events.
I can honestly say that the Barrio Fiesta was one of the most unforgettable moments for all of us. So today, what exciting things did we all look forward to? Of course! Rhythmix will be performing later. And this time, we are complete.
Now that's something to get excited about. Aside from the performances though, today is also the graduation day of our master dance class. And later on, we'll be awarding certificates to all our students. And guess what, everyone? We will be having batch 2 of the master dance class. So stay tuned for that announcement.
That's so exciting! So don't forget to share our live stream on the Sahara Atrium Facebook page.
Yes, and since we're live, please share, react, and don't forget to follow our page. Stay right where you are because we'll be right back. This is Sahara Spotlight.
Your stage, your moment.